beautiful, we want them with us. Stop them raining. Beautiful, stop raining. Stop them raining. They are so beautiful, we want them with us. Stop them raining.
What's the difference between living in the moment and living in a lie? Either way, this shit's a lie. One thing I know is that the fake lives in the disguise. Smell the fishiness through the writtens you give into the eyes of the people you see as sheep and just written from your life. And if this isn't what you like, you get ridden from the wise. It just seem like niggas only care about getting to the prize, but all that money you getting won't make a difference when you die. Money don't support your grind and tell you that you gon' blow. Send a text with a prayer emoji when there's no hope in your life. Posting your music saying that it's your time. How you up next but you upset cause you tryna get more shine? Boy, that's crazy. No Slim, that's shady. My folks say I act crazy cause how I act lately, but that's just me. I just need my head in the right place, inside out, turning my perspective sideways. Getting high till I crash in the fucking driveway. Let that music fill your soul up till you vibrate out your body. Try to stack it to the tri-state till I'm up. Yeah, my state going up, my state going up.
Lately my emotions pouring my pain away in this rain, and I've been complaining that I've gone insane, but that's the potion talking right, because every night my mind gives me a warning before the chaos and before the face off with my demons, or am I blind to my own thoughts that try to remind me of what I've been taught, but instead all I hear is screaming with a lot of bass. This all happens while the devil cheers and starts stitching all of my fears together like he's smoking. So now all of my friends switching sides and leaving me behind, so I'm all alone with no guide. So I guess there's no point of running hot from the dark. I'll beat it and conquer it in one arc, with all this heat I spark in every song. So I no longer have a bet for day like Conker's game, but I'm still working on my sadness. But I've learned to slay everything in my lane when I aim this pen to the page. So I'm breaking out of every cage you dare to put me in. I'll hit you with the solar flare, then burn you by that stake torture. Now I got you baking, bitch. Now I grab Mary Jane and torture, and sit down and watch my negative energy drown with every slit on my wrist. And now I disappear into the mist and travel into the light, yeah, and unravel piece of the world with the big crease line of positivity that curled up all the crap people in its fist and threw them all away. Stop this raining. Stop this raining.